Alright then folks, here we go. This is the Chapter Emerge PowerPoint tutorial for you. Do remember, please don't just copy onto this one, but make your own copy. And you'll see just down here, there should be some blank templates for you to use. Okay, let's have a look. Well, first of all, we need a picture for the background, so we'll go down here. We'll go on to Pexels, which is your free site to get pictures and videos as well. Let's type something into there. Let's put in Himalayas. There we go. And pick on anything which suits your fancy. There we go. Free download, and in it goes. All right, there you go. Click on your folder, and you'll see it there. Click on that. Whoops. And then we can right-click. We can copy. Go to our PowerPoint, and just paste it in. There you go. Just make it a little bit bigger. There you are. Nice. But now what we need to do is send that to the back. So I'll right-click and send that to the back. There it goes. And now all I'll do is copy and paste that onto the next few slides. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now one thing you can do if you want to, you can right-click on that, look at your format picture, and then just go across here to this icon, which is the picture icon. And if you want to change the transparency of any pictures, it's just there for you. And that's quite a useful thing for, well, anywhere you want to put a transparent-ish picture. Let's undo that a little bit. All right. So now what we need to do is put some text in. So I'll insert a text box. There it is. And we'll insert something here. So what can we put? There we go. Fly out. There we go. That'll do. All right, there's our text box. There's our first one. That's the first instruction. Now I'm going to insert another text box, and we'll put the second one. But notice what I'm doing. I'm going outside of it. One thing you can do is just shrink your view of your slide so you can work outside and around. This is quite useful for many of these different morph transitions. So we're going to work on the outside of the text box here, or outside of this slide, I should say. You put your text box just outside it. There we go, type that in. One thing I like to do is just change it a little bit, make it a little bit bigger so that people can see it, bolden it up, and I always try and use Tahoma. There's Tahoma, nice and clear. Okay, we're ready to go. Try and make sure it's on the left as well, left aligned. All right, we're going to copy that. And we're going to paste that as well, just above it here. We're going to slide it in. There you go. So that means it's ready to slide in from the first slide to the second slide. And we're going to go to our next one. This one here as well, what we're going to do is going to copy that. We go to our next slide along. There we go. But we're going to put this one, we're going to slide it outside. So as it transitions, one's going to come in and one's going to go out. Okay, let's copy that again. Go to our third one. Again, we'll paste this in. There it is. But we're going to slide that back out again. So that's going to disappear. We're going to insert another text box for our third set of instructions. Here we go. We'll slide it in, ready to go. And again, just adjust this, make it nice and clear. There we go. We're going to copy that. And we're going to go back to the previous slide, and we're going to insert it again. There it is, but we're going to slide it outside so it's ready to drop in. So that'll slide in nicely on the next slide. Let's go to our next one. Oh, yeah, we're all right there. There we go. On to our final one here. Let's just take that, and we're going to slide that out. Oh, we can. There we go. Slide on out. We're going to insert again, and we'll put another text box. And this text box here, this is going to be our final instruction. And you'll just pop it onto your slide. Change it again. Nice and quick. Job's a good 'un. But we'll copy that, and we'll put it on the previous slide, just outside the slide itself. There we go. So from this slide, we're going to click here and hold our shift and go all the way down to this final slide. And we're going to go here to transitions. When we click on this, we want to go to morph. So it's our morph transition. So if we click on the first slide here, let's click on that, and we'll go to our slideshow and have a look from that current slide. What we should be able to see is now that this slides in, puts the information, there it is, and it'll then slide out as the next one arrives. And then it will slide in and slide out, and it's quite nice to have a set of instructions there. Of course, you can add any images you want to on there as well. All right, there we go.